another day in Zimbabwe, another day that you may have heard something interesting, new developments happening every day in Zimbabwe. As ZimDI TV, we will try by all means to be there when it happens, but sometimes we may miss it. But as we have said from the beginning, ZimDI TV, online television, building bridges. Please like our Facebook page, and every time we go live, you will never miss one of our informative and interesting programs. As ZimDI TV, we try to give you as it is, as it happens. When it happens, when we are not there, we try by all means to get it so that we can share with you. Thank you very much for the support that you are giving us. ZimDI TV online TV will never be the same again. My name is Robert Afmane, and the program is This and That. And today, who do we have in the studio? You have heard about the organization hashtag Tajamuka says Jikile for the past 2 years, but to some, the organization has just gone quiet. Have they achieved what they wanted? Well, I have a member and a founder of that organization to talk about the organization that we read so much about, making quite a lot of noise in the last 2 years, but now the noise has died down. In the studio is Promise Mukwanansi. Promise, welcome to ZimDI TV Online.
Thank you for having me.
All of a sudden, Tajamuka has gone quiet. Is it the end of the organization?
No, it's not. It has not even gone quiet to start with. I think a month or so ago we did a peaceful protest, and some of our members were arrested. Some of our members were arrested, and we've been churning out statements pronouncing the position of the movement on various issues that have emerged or developed in the country. So we have not been quiet.
Okay.
Above that, there has been a lot of work that has been taking place behind the scenes, which I think is more important, more substantive kind of work, really reflecting on all the things that we've spoken about, that we've done in the past, and really saying, have we achieved what we wanted to achieve? If not, why? And how can we achieve that? But more importantly, how do we